unboxing and testing out the DEERFAMY Outdoor Pizza Oven. This thing is amazing. So this is not gas, this is wood pellets. So you get that smoke flavor, rich, delicious outdoor flavor right in your backyard, baby. I'm gonna open this up, set this up, and we're gonna make pizza. Don't even have to order pizza anymore. Open up the box. This is what we have. We have the oven right here, and we have the front piece. So as you see, there's two holes here, and we have two different handles, and you can see we have 4 screws. So the only thing you have to do is basically you're gonna put this on and just screw 2 screws here, and same thing with the back part, which if we turn it around, it's a little sturdy and heavy, which is good. And look, we got 2 more there, so we're just gonna screw this on. Like, got our tongue right here, we got a pizza cutter, and look like the pizza holder. And we're gonna, this here, when you pull this out, you put your wood pellets in here. Just double check your manual if you don't know what is what, and it tells you everything right here how to put it. Look, see that middle piece goes in there, the back right there, the top just goes right in. So the assemble is easy. This is no kind of assemble, actually. This is literally simple and easy. For more details and price on this product, check in the link in the description box. I'm gonna leave it there for you. If you flip it over, you can see the legs. You just pop it out like that. Really easy. This is so saving time. You don't have to install that. See that? 4 legs right there. That's pretty neat. What I did, I put 2 screws underneath from the handle, and same thing from the back. This part is gonna go on. So this is the cover right here too. When you finish, you could just cover it so it doesn't ruin from the weather or anything. And this right here, come like this, put it like that, and that's it. And now this depends on your smoke. You could put it that way, the smoke comes to you, or you could put it that way and the smoke comes to that, or you could leave it in the middle like this. So the one thing about this pizza oven, which I'm really excited about, and it's awesome that the company did, they add all this utensil, extra piece. This is the little shovel for your wood pellets. You put your pizza pie here. You got a nice handle so it doesn't get burned. And you could flip your chicken, whatever you're going to decide to put in there. And they come with a cut, and you could see the different measurement. And it comes with its clubs. It's a safety club so you don't get burned. It's really good heavy duty quality. I love it. And this part for a bonus. Normally with most company you would have to buy this. This company already provided. And you can see this extra part. That part is for the top chimney. This thing is amazing. I can't wait to test this out. We're going to test this out right now. I bought a bag of these wood pellets. The pellet does not come with this. Alright, so we get the wood pellet. This is the scooper that came with it. 1 scoop right there. I think we're gonna make 2 little pie. So maybe we're gonna put about 2 scoops inside. You just pull this out. Right there. Just dump that in. Alright, we're gonna dump this in there again. We're gonna put about 3-4 of them. I want a good fire. So we got a couple of pizza pie right here. We're gonna put some sauce right now. And we're gonna put some mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
Alright, kids are excited. You gotta bring your whole family out here. Backyard pizza.
I love it.
Don't forget to check the link in the description box for more details and price. Sauce all over. We're gonna put a whole bunch of mozzarella cheese all over. You guys can put whatever topping you want on it. We're just gonna make this a cheese pizza. We get a wood pellets going right now. We're up to 150. We take it down. You can see our flame back there. Oh my god, nothing is in there and it still smells good already. So we're gonna leave it around when it start head up about 300 right there. That's when we're gonna put in our first pizza. All right, so we hit about 300 right there. So we're gonna check our heat. Wow, it's amazing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna top that in right quick. Pop that in right there. Wow, looks so beautiful.
Take it out.
Come right here. We're gonna close it. We're gonna check back in 5 minutes. About 3 minutes, and the kids are excited. They want to see. Wow, look at that in there. The cheese is melting right now. It's been about 7 minutes, so we're gonna check it. Wow, that is looking amazing. Alright, so we're gonna flip it more on that side. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Look how amazing. Homemade pizza right in your backyard, baby. And pizza's ready to go, baby. They call me the pizza guy. DEERFAMY, I love this pizza oven. It's amazing. Look at this. I wish you guys could smell this. So we're making pizza non-stop here. Oh my god. I wish you guys could taste this pizza. This pizza is incredible. Really appreciate this company, Dear Family. They did an amazing job making this, and our wood pellets is still going, so we're gonna do one more slice. We're on our 4th slice of pizza. Kids been eating non-stop. This is exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming video. Check in the description box. Get your hand on this right now. The price is amazing. The quality is amazing, and you could see it makes incredible pizza. 7 to 8 minutes fresh pizza right in your backyard.